I'm Matt Noble with 511 Tactical. I design our tactical tools. This is our new headlamps for 2020. This is the Rapid HL 1AA. So it's 200 lumens using a standard alkaline battery. It's 330 lumens if you use a rechargeable lithium 14500. So what's unique about this headlamp is some of our core customers can't wear a traditional headlamp. So this is removable. Oh, sorry about that. It's removable, but it has a pocket clip under the COB element. So literally you can clip this to your gear, clip it to your apparel. It's very unique, nothing exists like this. And the switch, if you're into braille, there's two levels on the switch. So the front operates the COB, it's a simple on and off, nice wide flood illumination. And then the second one is your spot, where you go high, medium, low, extra low. Another feature is if you press and hold the spot, it goes direct to extra low. So if you're in a tactical situation and you don't want to go bright, you can go straight to low. And then this is the response HL XR1. So this works on 18650 battery or two 123s. This is 1000 lumens. High, medium, low, extra low. Same feature, hold, direct to extra low. The COB, same operation, but if you press and hold the COB, it goes to red. So if you're in the nighttime and you don't want to give away your position and it's easier to read in the night, you use the red element. And it has the same feature, removable with the patent pending pocket clip. So these are both available now. And then coming in the fall, we have our EDC HL 2 AAA. So these come in kangaroo or black. What's unique about this is it only runs on 2 AAA batteries, where 98% of AAA headlamps are 3. And last time I checked, they come in 4 packs. So you use this and you got a spare set of batteries. It's 180 lumens and it's got your spot and flood. We updated this from a previous generation and we re-engineered the battery clip retention. It's more like a mason jar style closure. And then we also have an accessory that you can clip onto this where you can have red, green, or blue colored flood. So those are our headlamps for this year.
Really good. Thank you very much.